single strike with her claws is all it takes.
Snakes, for all their venom, their extraordinary senses, and their powerful adaptable bodies, remain very vulnerable. But thanks to its skill, guile, and will to live, this little green python will fight and hunt.